showing to our sample showroom. It is we are making all the various kind of tape, and just which is used in baby diaper, adult diaper, and sanitary napkin including. Okay. This video we can showing only for various kind of tape and onion chip, easy tape, side tape, frontal tape, and hook tape. Okay, thank you for watching our blog, and you are subscribe more. And also, if you have need any kind of tape, we can provide. We have own factory in our China and India. We can provide to all things of hygienic product, also machinery, everything. Thank you.